In this Wix tutorial, let's take a quick look at changing or removing background images. So your Wix site is built out of sections. We've got the header up here. This one in particular has an image. We've got this section we added in that has a big background image, and each section has its own background, even if it looks like there's no background. So what we can do is click on this section, and we could click again. We just need the dialog box to pop up. You can see it here. We actually have changed section background. So if I wanted to remove this background, what I would do is change it to either none or pick a color that I want instead of an image, for instance. If I were to click on none, it's going to show the color of the background of my entire website. So whatever it is outside here, which in this case it's white. Or I could click on color and I could select a specific color. Maybe I wanted this section to be a little bit gray. Anything you do here will remove that background image. You could also add in an image or even add in video as well. So that's how you can remove the background image to your sections here on Wix and create the site that you want.